11-piece steam cleaner with an on indicator when it's ready to go. The measuring cup and the funnel make it easy to put the water in. Only add one measuring cup. I added multiple. It didn't work. All of these accessories, every nozzle, or there's an attachment even to clean a couch. I have my stove here, which I intentionally got extra greasy so I can test out this steam cleaner. The cleaner was easy to use. I went into every crease, every crevice. I did not have to get out a sponge. I did not have to get out Brillo. This cleaned it easy, and within minutes, it was so easy, it was shocking. It was a no-brainer. All I had to do then was wipe it dry. I wanted to check it. If you've ever had a pressurized pot, this works in much the same way. You cannot remove the accessories unless you unplug the system. There is a button on the top behind the screw-off cap. You have to press that button down, and once the steam is released, then the big button will be turned and you can add additional water. This will not work unless the steam is out.